How to unlock Bombbot. In this video, I will show you how to add the cool Bombbot to your character collection. Here's how to unlock him faster and easier. Open your Shopee Surfer application. Bombbot is a special character that you can unlock by making any purchases in the game store. Whether it's a small coin pack or a special bundle, any real money transaction will unlock Bombbot for free. After completing your purchase, Bombbot will instantly appear in your character collection. No need to grind for coins or keys. And that's it. Now you can enjoy running with Bombbot's unique robotic style.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.